Hi and welcome. Today we are looking at the TECKNET window or door alarm, and this is the one pack. They also have another pack of three. This is the TKWA801 model, and yeah, let's see how it looks like. Okay, so that's all you get. It comes nicely packed. Looks small enough to fit where you want to use it. So you get the instructions. There's quite a few instructions in there. It just shows you a product overview. So like every other product, you get 3 years warranty for free from TECKNET. So well done to them. And as you can see, you get the 3M double coated tape. So you can use this little side is for this, and the other side is for that. You can also use probably screws maybe. So this side probably goes on the door. Let's see if they show us in here. So you can use it for doors or windows. So you see this goes on the how you call it, the wooden beam, door beam, and that goes on the door, the little side. As you open the door, it triggers the alarm. And same on the windows, you just lift up the window, it triggers the alarm. So as soon as it goes from position, it will trigger an alarm. So let me quickly show you how that works. So that's how the product looks like. That's where the sound comes from, the alarm. Feels really sturdy, good quality. Now it's off, chime and alarm. So on the back we have this removable plate, which I think you may be able to use screws in here as well, but I'm not too sure because the distance again is quite small, and I'm afraid if you will use screws, you won't be able to place this in. So no, maybe it's just glue. So I think this is where the glue will go. Yeah, and then this will be on your wall, and in case you want to remove this, you would just push it in, push it up and remove it. Sorry, push it down and remove it, push it up, back in place. Yeah, and below you have the connector. So let's just remove this plastic battery protector, and let's see how it works. So currently we'll just keep it like that, aligned. Yeah, we'll also check how far you can place them, because obviously there's a gap between the door and that panel. So we'll just move it to alarm. So all the way to the end. And now let's say the door gets open. That's a very loud sound, and it behaves really, it activates quite fast. So let's see how far the gap can be between them. Okay, so you can have a gap as big as this, almost as a finger. So when you open, boom, it triggers the alarm. You close it, it's back to normal. And then in the middle, it's a different way, different sound. Okay, one more thing I want to show you. So let me just stop it. So on the back in here, you can access the batteries. If you remove this screw, like in here, there's a cover, and then you have 4 batteries. It's an LR4 coin cell batteries, which they come included, but when you need to replace them, you just remove the screw, remove the plate, and then you just replace your own, and you dispose according to your location. So yeah, there you have it, guys. I think it works brilliantly. You can't really fault it. Obviously, it's not going to send any signal anywhere. It's going to just be an alarm that you can hear while you are at home. Thank you for watching.